My in-law, I hope you have studied the marriage list.
Yes, Papa. What I see here, even if I study it for 4 years, I can't even graduate. Oh.
Those are too small to compare to what a man who married one of our daughters in this kindred did last 3 months.
Papa, all hands are not equal.
We are not informed too.
You people tried. You even added Igbo and malaria medicine.
Yes, my son. You know, mosquito bites here in this village so much.
All right, Papa. Is this amount and items here the last price?
Osondo, my son. My daughter is not a commodity that you are pricing the last price.
Now you are talking, Papa. Now you are talking. She's not for sale, Papa. Help I and Chioma and accept me the way I am before we start a family with that bright prize. Oh.
Tofia kwa, chukwajo. But you said you saw an antelope that you like here.
Yes, Papa. But I want to sell all my property trying to hunt the antelope.
It is okay, my son. Just come the way you are. We will accept you. Enugo.
Thank you, Papa.
Help us.
Now I can confidently call you my in-law.
Yeah!